I do like that. Boop, pistachio. Boop, pistachio. Pistachio. We can make this happen. Watch. Next one. Pistachio. Wait now. Pistachio. Do I regret ditching peanuts for heart healthy pistachios? Not at all. Do I regret getting a mouse tattoo last night? Yes, I do. That was a bad decision on my part. I truly regret it. Importing ivory is illegal, so it's no surprise I get randomly searched when I travel. But the protein in pistachios helps keep my spirits up, which makes this strip search a little less humiliating. That's not ivory. The Squirrel Sisters came over last night. Man, they got crazy. Those girls, they know how to party. And they'll do anything for pistachios. And I mean anything. Stuff I don't ever want to think about again, but I'm an elephant. I can't forget. The pistachio is a healthy snack.
Excuse me.
And I appreciate that in an age of unrealistic body expectations.
Excuse me.
On TV, magazine covers, and elevator weight sensors. Cowards!
Excuse me, I'm just gonna go to my car.
Oh, really? What kind of car you drive?
Peanuts!
Peanuts? You kidding me? This guy's selling peanuts? I used to eat peanuts. I also used to wear diapers. Pistachios where it's at, right? I mean, who wants to eat a food that starts with P and ends with nuts?
Peanuts!
Pistachios!
While our opponents are stuffing their snack holes with garbage, we're snacking smarter with pistachio. What is that?
Barbecue chips?
You're eating a lie! Barbecue chips aren't barbecued, ranch dressing doesn't come from a ranch, and buffaloes don't have wings. Pistachios have fiber, protein, potassium, and manganese.
A what?
A bonded element with atomic number 25?
Hey, that's Richard's number. 25.
Yeah, it's right there!
Awesome.
I'm the league's best cornerback because I'm the smartest. To be the best fans, you gotta snack smarter. Do you know what's in these?
Potatoes!
And try disodium guanylate.
Ooh, what about the nachos?
Nachos? You mean no-chos. You know what all that cheese will do to you?
My grandpappy says too much dairy can make a grown man lactate.
That's strange. You're a strange guy. But pistachios are smart snacking.
Grandpappy did nurse all 12 of us.
That's messed up. I'm one of the smartest players on the field because I'm obsessed with studying film. Let's watch one about those crackers. It's called extrusion, the industrial process of creating a desired food shape.
Is this why we can't get pregnant?
Let's see how pistachios are made.
So there's no eglusion.
Extrusion, from the Latin word extras, meaning to issue forth.
I think I just ovulated.
Me too!
Yeah, me too.
Congratulations.
Dominatrix do it. On command. Wonderful pistachios. Get cracking.
This is the honey badger. Whoa, watch out, says that bird. Oh, it's got a cobra? Jeez, watch him crack it.
Honey Badger does it badass.
You bet he does.
Wonderful pistachios.
He loves those snacks.
Get cracking.
The wonderful pistachio, grown and roasted right here in the US of A, which is why they say, every time you crack one open, an angel becomes an American. You're welcome.
Vixens do it. Unforgettably.
Wonderful pistachios. Get cracking.
What is your name, nutcase? You think I can't make you crack? I will make you crack until you are shell-shocked!
Drill sergeants do it with intimidation. Wonderful pistachios. Get cracking.
Wow, look at that.
Wonderful Pistachios. Get cracking.
That was mine.
Chloe and Lamar.
Little cuddle bear.
Do it as foreplay. Wonderful Pistachios. Get cracking.